What is love then?
This one's Yakult.
What if the mind and the sun and the moon will collide with each other? What will happen?
It's moon and sun are fight together.
And then when they fight together, what will happen to the aliens? What will happen? The aliens will come with good and come to the earth?
Yeah.
And then?
Eliana don't jump to Raico's road.
And then what will happen to the sun and the moon?
The moon died.
They won't die. And if the sun and the moon will just like cry they will cry because the mother and father cannot give me for me. Then what will happen?
I play Pac-Man with the cell phone.
Cell phone. And what if the cell phone is connected because the moon does not have a cell phone?
Luna have and Pac-Man. The Pac-Man eat the ghost now.
What?
Like this one.
Like that one.
Like this one and Pac-Man.
Is it the Pac-Man? Is it the brother of Batman?
No!
Who is the brother of Batman?
Pac-Man.
Pac-Man?
Not Batman, Pac-Man.
It's Pac-Man. Where's the sister? Where's the sister? Who's the sister?
That is my sister.
Who's sister? What's sister? What's the name?
Kendra.
Kendra, sister. And what happened to the thing and like in the motorcycle? What happened?
I drive in a motorcycle when Mama and Papa run.
Papa Ron and Mama Ron. Did you cry for this because you want to fried chicken?
No, I want puppy.
You want puppy? You want to get it and cook the puppy?
No.
What?
But puppy wants to go home.
So you want to go home and then cook the puppy and then cook the chicken and eat great and the puppy will eat it? No.
Puppy eat the yaks rice.
Yaks the rice? What happened to the yaks the rice when it gives like in the pizza?
No, it's not a yaks pizza.
What?
But it's a watermelon pizza.
Oh, so do you mean that the moon and the sun just like eat pizza?
Yeah.
How do they eat? How do?
The Muna have hands.
And then?
The Muna have moon pizza.
And the sun?
Sun eat and hot pizza.
Really? This is very good? Oh, this is nice.
I'm the spicy.
You're the spicy?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I'm the fastest.
How do you eat the spicy?
No.
How?
How about pizza electric?
Electric pizza?
Yeah.
You want the pizza electric? What's the color?
Blue.
Blue? For the moon, what's the color for the moon?
White.
White? What's the color for the sun?
Yellow.
Lelo? What?
It's from yellow.
What's the color of this?
White.
White? And this one?
White.
Another one?
White.
White? The other one?
White.
Huh? White and yellow?
White and yellow.
Oh, white is the moon, yellow is the sun. But what about this? You can eat pizza white and yellow?
Together.
Oh, together they eat it?
But where's the rainbow now?
Where's the rainbow? It's below.
There's rainbow here.
Yes.
Lucas have rainbow.
Yes.